Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video is about a role that is absolutely critical to aviation safety, efficiency and profitability. Yet one that doesn't get nearly enough spotlight outside the industry. I'm talking about the MRO operations and manager, the professional who ensures that every aircraft that takes to the sky is airworthy, compliant and ready to perform. Let's break this role down completely. So, MRO stands for maintenance, repair, and overhaul. It is a massive segment of the global aviation industry worth over $80 billion worldwide, and it is the backbone of airline safety and operations. So, an MRO operations manager oversees the day to day functioning of an MRO facility or any department. This means managing teams of licensed engineers and the technicians, so ensuring aircraft are maintained as per the regulatory standards and making sure turnaround times are met without the compromising on safety. So this role exists in airlines that have in-house maintenance division as well as in standalone MROs company like Air India Engineering Services, GMR Aerotechnic or global players like Lufthansa Technic or ST Engineering. So let's discuss the key roles and responsibilities. So let's go through what an MRO operation manager is responsible for. First, he is responsible for overseeing maintenance operations and they supervise all scheduled and unscheduled maintenance activities on aircraft, from routine line maintenance to heavy checks like C checks, T checks in aviation. So every task must follow the airworthiness directives issued by the regulators like DGCA in India or EASA in Europe. Second, regulatory compliance. Aviation is one of the most heavily regulated industry in the world, and for good reasons. The MRO operations manager ensures that all work is compliant with DGCA, FFA, or EASA regulations. Any lapse here is not just a business risk; it is a safety risk. So third is team and workflow management. They manage large teams of aircraft maintenance engineers, technicians, quality inspectors, and planners, coordinating shift, allocating tasks, and maintaining productivity. That is all while upholding the safety standards is a complex and demanding job. The fourth is cost and budget management. MRO operations manager work closely with finance team, manage cost of spare parts, labors, outsourced services. Reducing turnaround time directly impacts airlines profitability. So efficiency is always the priority. And the fifth role is quality assurance and safety culture. They are responsible for maintaining a strong quality management system, conducting regular audits, incident reports, and ensuring a culture where safety always comes first. The last is vendor and supply chain coordination. They manage relationship with part suppliers, OEM vendors, and third-party services to provide us and to ensure availability of component without the delays. So this role demands both technical depth and management maturity. So which is exactly why professional with engineering background who also pursued MBA or other management courses are increasing value in this space. So let's discuss what does it take to succeed as a MRO operations manager. Technical knowledge is the foundation. A strong understanding of aircraft system, maintenance procedures, and airworthiness regulations is absolutely essential. A background in aerospace or mechanical engineering gives you a significant head start. And leadership and team management, you will be managing large multidisciplinary team. The ability to lead with clarity, handle pressure calmly, and maintain team morale is very crucial. So, regulatory expertise, deep familiarity with DGCA, EASA, or FFA maintenance and regulations is non-negotiable. So, many professionals pursue AME licenses or regulatory certification to strengthen in this area. Analytical and problem solving skills is very needed. So when an aircraft goes unserviceable unexpectedly, you need to diagnose fast, decide very quickly, and coordinate efficiently. So data driven thinking and tools like Power BI or ERP systems help enormously in this role. You have to communicate with pilots, engineers, airline clients, and regulators. Being able to translate technical information into clear language for different audiences is a real asset. And importantly, business acumen. Understanding budgets, turnaround economics, and contract management is increasing expected at a senior MRO levels. So this is where an MBA in aviation management directly adds value for this role. So now, uh, for an MRO operation managers, the package in the industry is offered right now is 15 to 40 plus lakhs annually in India, with senior roles offering well above that. So, steady, passionate delivery is aviation safety doesn't happen by accident. Behind every smooth flight is an entire team of dedicated MRO professional, and the operations manager is the person holding it all together. So, if you are someone who is passionate about aircraft, driven by precision, and excited by leadership, this could be one of the most fulfilling career path in aviation has to offer. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please comment and see you in the next one.